Genius, genius, genius.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name is N.A. Sagib. I'm your IELTS and spoken English trainer and student visa consultant. I've been training the students and professionals at the platform of Genius Institute Lahore for the last 21 years. Dear friends, we have recently started recording the mock tests of the students of Genius Institute Lahore, and they are giving their kind of presentation of part 2 of the speaking module of the IELTS. It's a cue card or a task card, and 2 minutes actually is 2 minutes are given to by the examiner to the students to speak on it, but the examiner says you are given 1 to 2 minutes, and actually before speaking, the examiner gives a paper and pencil to brainstorm, and before that he gives a cue card on which there are 3 and 4 bullet points. The student can brainstorm in the meantime and take notes and can speak later on for 1 to 2 minutes. Some students speak for 1.5 minutes or maybe 1 minute, and then the examiner is supposed to ask you some short follow-up questions and related to the topic. So in this way, in any way, he has to fill the time which is allotted to you for speaking on a long term. So dear friends, today Ms. Summer, once again, she's one of our students. She is giving a presentation on the topic, and the topic would be the person you admire the most. And she has already taken some notes and she has brainstormed, and I will ask her to start speaking on the topic, please.
Yeah, when asked about the person I admire the most in my life, I don't require to look at the celebrities or any other influential person in the society. In my case, my father, I admire my father the most in this universe, because he's an extraordinary person for me because of his enduring strength, which I dearly admire. All the person have someone whom they consider to be highly inspirational and influential to look upon, but for me my father is an excellent example of all these characters. No doubt parents are the wonderful blessing of Allah. My father has an amazing personality. He's an amazing person. He has been an amazing father, an amazing son, an amazing husband. In short, overall he's an amazing person. He went through thick and thin with great courage and patience. I admire the way he cares for his family. I admire the way he treats us. Yeah, he's the best person. He teaches me some good morals so that I could develop a good personality. Because of him, I was able to get the best education. I realized how much sacrifices he had spent on us, and he will never ask to return except the education. Actually, my father has striking personality, so one can conclude that he is very blunt and cold. But after knowing him, he turns out to be an amazing person, an alluring person, and kind person. Actually, my father supports me in every matter. No matter I'm the activity in, I'm the decision, I'm gonna take any decision. He's still there for me. Actually, supportive behavior is crucial for well-being, for individual well-being, especially when it comes to emotional support.
Thank you so very much. Her time's up. Actually, she has spoken brilliantly on this topic, and fluency was very good, and there was a bit of emotion on her face. She was expressing with feeling when you were talking about that he's an amazing father, amazing husband, amazing son of his parents, and blah blah blah. It was really, it looked as if she's trying to say something from the codes of her heart. One, she has spoken very good words, rather celebrities, extraordinary, inspirational, influential, through thick and thin, and courage and patience. Wow, simply amazing. There was a couple of mistakes in pronunciation. For example, teaches me, not teach me, teaches me, not alluring personality. Otherwise, she was very commendable, and she has given us the best performance in her cue card. My dear friends, you would have learned a lot from this exercise as well. It's for your learning, and please write down anything you would like to say. Any topic you have in your mind, you can write us down in the comment section so that we may address your topics. The topics which are looking a bit worrisome for you, or they're having a bit of problem in speaking for you guys. So until then, God bless you all. Take care and stay blessed.
Genius, genius, genius.